The Technical Administration Building of Hoechst AG stands as a remarkable example of brick Expressionism architecture. Designed by Peter Behrens and constructed between 1920 to 1924, this edifice became an iconic symbol of industrial architecture in Frankfurt, Hoechst, Germany. The building features a distinctive 185-meter-long complex divided into three main sections: two three-story administrative wings and a representative entrance area with its striking tower and bridge. This tower-bridge combination gained worldwide recognition when it was stylized as the Hoechst Company logo from 1947 to 1997. Architecturally, the building showcases Behrens's masterful use of brick Expressionism. The facade employs varying colored bricks to prevent monotony across its extensive length. The fortress-like base tapers upward, featuring square windows inset in sockets with horizontal friezes of bright broken masonry breaking the vertical dominance. Upper floors incorporate parabolic-shaped windows reminiscent of Gothic arches. The interior design centers around an impressive main hall comparable to a basilica's nave. Rising 15 meters, this space utilizes architectural techniques to enhance its perceived height, with each successive story becoming lower and windows narrowing toward the top. The hall's pillars feature a vibrant color scheme, progressing from green at the bottom through blue, red, purple, orange, and finally yellow bricks. Originally, the building contained specialized spaces including an exhibition hall illuminated by large colored glass windows, an elaborate lecture hall with wood paneling, and the prestigious marble hall with travertine wall cladding and custom-designed candlesticks by Behrens himself. The building's history mirrors Germany's industrial evolution. Initially housing Hoechst's technical departments, it lost prominence when the company merged into IG Farben in 1925. After surviving World War II with minimal damage, it returned to Hoechst AG ownership following IG Farben's dissolution. Since 1998, the building has belonged to Infraserv GmbH & Co. Hoechst KG, undergoing extensive restoration completed in 2002, with further renovations in 2005 to 2007, restoring many original features. Today, while located within the restricted Höchst Industrial Park, this architectural landmark can be visited during special guided tours as part of the Route of Industrial Heritage of the Rhine-Main.